Alright, here's my video for change of state. I'm going to go into master level and see what happens. So they give us an original current state. An elevator rider is moving upward at a constant speed. So that's why these forces are balanced. The force diagram is shown. What will the force diagram look like when the upward moving rider undergoes a slowing down process? Okay, so if we're moving upward but we're slowing down, my velocity is upward, then my acceleration has to chip away at that acceleration, or at the velocity, right? Acceleration is just a change of velocity every second. So that means my acceleration is downward. So I need a normal force and a gravitational force, right? And then I have to look at this. Can my gravitational force change? No. If I am experiencing gravity, it doesn't matter where I'm experiencing gravity, it doesn't change. Normal force can change, so that cannot be this diagram. Again, I've got force, gravity, it looks like those are congruent, and now the normal force is less. So my net force is down, which means my acceleration is downward. My direction is still upward, so I should be slowing down. And I'm going to choose that one. Hey, data away. All right. I know there's a couple of these that are a little challenging. So let's think about this one. This is more horizontal, might be more challenging. A disk is moving rightward at a constant speed across a no-friction air table. The force diagram is shown. What will the force diagram look like if the air is turned off? And this rightward moving disk is now in a state of slowing down. So now, I guess the question is what new forces show up, right? I still have force of gravity, but it's not force of air anymore. I'm going to have a normal force because it's going to be on the table. And I am moving the right, so I'm going to have it wants to slow down. So if I have rightward velocity, then I have to have leftward acceleration. So I should have a net force or a friction force to the left. So let's see. No applied. No applied. Still the same thing. Normal's not gone. I got normal, gravity, and force of friction, just what I'm anticipating. A net force to the left, so I'm slowing down. A normal force instead of force of air, because now it's touching the table itself. Let's check. All right. I'm going to leave it at that, and I hope that helps you. Okay? Chime in at 1 o'clock if you need additional help.